welcome. If you are here, it is because you desire to raise your GPA this semester by at least 1 point. I will give you the tools, tips, and techniques to do so. These same tools, tips, and techniques can be used to accelerate and maximize your learning process for the rest of your lives. So keep using them. But today we talk tools for the purpose of getting your big paper written and turned into the professor on time. To help you do that a lot quicker, I encourage that you learn how to type, even speed up the typing, have proficient, skills at that. But no matter how fast you type, we have a limit as humans, somewhere around 40 to 60 words per minute. We actually speak at 150 words in excess or more per minute. So which would you rather do? Type a paper or talk it? The logic is sound. That being said, how do I record it? All of our cell phones has a recording inside of it. You can link that recording to any app. I've linked it to a writing app. So what I do is simply talk out all my information. After getting my outline written, understanding where I'm going, and researching, I begin that process. So now I'm talking into the phone. It receives the information, then it transcribes it directly into the computer through that app. So that's the technique. And in doing so, you'll need a cell phone, of course, one that you can audio record with. Most of them do that these days. Mine has a stylus. It makes it a lot easier. And while looking for a new keyboard, I realized that there are keyboards that actually hold your phone, which frees up your hands at critical times. So let's get this sucker out. Let's get it open and see what we have here. I'll put it down here. Nothing special. I don't advocate for this company or any other. In fact, I don't know how well it will work just yet. But I know it does have one thing. It has a slide for my phone. So now, while I'm working, I can literally free my hands up, if it is nothing else, just to look at the words and type for a minute. And when I'm ready to switch off, I can pick it up. Now, in my case, I have another option. I have a cell phone charger that sits upright at an angle somewhere around 65 degrees, where it tilts it and it makes it a little bit easier to interact with the cell phone. So there, I'm using the cell phone, my stylus to make adjustments, and my keyboard to enhance the process. And I use all three, which speeds up the entire process for me. So that's what you'll need. You'll need, obviously, your well-written outline with all the research done already, laptop or computer, preferably one that can hold your phone, or incorporate a stand on a phone itself. So that's my recommendation. That's my tip for writing your paper, just in the tool sections alone. Now remember, always we begin with the end in mind. This is the legacy of learning. I'm Ron Raphael. Catch you later.